Welcome to SURIYAS Academy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the exam fear problem, the greatest problem many students are facing nowadays. What are all the symptoms or what are all the reasons and the very three simple steps how to overcome that exam fear. Symptoms can be known as many students may feel over sweating throughout the body and some may feel sweating in their hands. Some may get even angry for very silly reasons due to this exam fear and start fighting or quarreling with their brothers or sisters and most frequently with their moms. This may happen in many of the students. Now how to overcome this feeling? The first point is stop negative thinking. What are all the negative things come? What happens if I fail in this exam? What happens if I haven't studied this particular problem? What happens if this particular question comes? What happens if I do this or what happens if I do that? The same question prolongs and you may think that everyone may clear and only you are the only student you are going to fail in the exam. There are so many negative thoughts will prevail throughout this. So what happens? Your mind will get dumped and you cannot be able to concentrate on your studies. This may totally pull off your mind thinking. So you should stop the negative thinking and feel confident about yourself in participating in the exam. And then second point, plan properly. Even nowadays also you can find some students, they will be studying till the last minute. The staff may come with the question paper and enter into the exam hall. Still some may studying in the veranda till the last minute even after the last bell rang. So what happens? What does this say? The fear and the anxiety behind the exam or the last minute run they are trying to overcome. So you have to plan properly. You may get a schedule always, even the college exam or the semester exam before 15 days or itself you may get the schedule, a minimum period. So you should plan accordingly. How many subjects you may be having? You may be having for a semester 5 theories or 6 theories prolonged by 2 or 3 labs. So you have to equally allocate the time periods for each subjects and plan accordingly. This will avoid the most of your tension. When you plan accordingly, when you start studying, you may overcome the doubts what are all you may having, you may overcome and study previously. So this will remove your fear and you will feel a very better confident person. And then last one, take small breaks and then adequate sleep. That is, when you are studying, you have to take a small breaks and refresh yourself. And then the day before exam, many may do this. They may prolong studying, they may study till 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock full night. Some people may study or some people may sleep for just 2 hours and then continuously again they will wake up after 2 hours and then continuously study. So what happens? Your brain may get very tense when you are overloading at the same time. That is at a 1 day night or a 2 days night when you are trying to overload your brain. You will get confused in the exam hall. When you get an adequate sleep only, your brain will be very calm and you will be refreshed and the memory will be recalled. Whatever you had studied yesterday, it has to be recalled in the exam hall. For this, the adequate sleep is very must. So, simply follow these 3 steps and write your exams properly and overcome your fear. You have to fix your target on yourself and you have to raise your marks using this target value. Hope now you will be very clear about how to overcome the exam fear. Stay confident. Surely you can win and you will win. Okay? Keep supporting SURIYAS Academy. Thank you.